One of the experience I had earlier on, I want to say she was about my 10th patient. It was the end of my first day of doing all the Solea laser. This when patient came in, she was 75 years old at the time. She had about 4 restorations that we had to do in the anterior teeth. Already nervous, she's already shaking, she's in the chair, and she keeps talking about, it's not you, I hate this, I just hate this. And we're all trying to calm her down, everything is good. We did the work, and I think maybe about 15, 20 minutes later, we finished everything, and she was good to go. And she just looked at me, and she's like, wait, you're done? Normally, I would be just getting anxious enough to be able to get numb, just calming down enough for me to be able to get the dentist come in with the needles and get me numb. 10 years later, she still talks about that moment and how that was forever changing for her. And I think we underestimate how we impact one's dental journey so much at any given time. And that was a really amazing moment. And that was actually a great moment for our entire team, because that day we were set out to we're gonna do as many Solea dentistry as possible, because my first day of using Solea. And to end the day with that type of a hurrah, it was just a high point for everyone. And I can just remember that forever. And we still talk about it when the patient's in the chair.